Welcome to my channel. Today we want to teach you how to draw a spring in CATIA. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Before the video, please press the subscribe button to be notified whenever I create another tutorial video. First, we go to the part section, choose the custom page, for example XY. Click stage. Draw a circle with the desired diameter on the screen. Draw a point on the circle. Exit environment part and enter generative shape design section. If section wireframe is off, turn it on and select helix curve. In a starting point, choose the point we drew in the previous steps. In axis section, determine the axis along which the spring can extend. Z-axis. Confirm the window. Draw a plane perpendicular to helix. Draw a circle of the desired diameter on the format screen again. Go to part design again and select the rib option. In the profile part section, select the circle, and in the helix part select a center curve. Golden point. Don't forget that in the profile control section we select polling to keep the spring in the direction of the axis. The drawing process of the spring is completed and its color can be changed. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like that, like the video and subscribe my channel. Create another tutorial video and good luck.